Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, December 2nd, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Announcements. Copies. Please make sure you are mindful of your copy usage and use Print Shop as you plan in advance. The book basket has been updated with Christmas books instead of Thanksgiving books. So take the Post-it note off, put it in Miss Smith's box, and then when you get done with them, return them to the library. Late duty today is Miss Hamlin. We raised $1,300 for St. Jude's Research Hospital. Way to go. And our pizza party winners are, we actually had two pizza party winners. They are going to be kindergarten and fourth grade. I believe the pizza party is going to be on December 10th for those two grade levels. So way to go to them. It must have been a really, really close race there. So congratulations to kindergarten and fourth grade. Enjoy that pizza party, and good job to all the students for helping to raise money for St. Jude's Research Hospital. Bring a toy to stuff the bus. We have lots of toys coming in and going under the tree, so bring a new unwrapped toy to school before December 8th so you can wear your favorite Christmas shirt and jeans on December 10th. The word of the day is row. A row is a horizontal arrangement of numbers or information in an array or a table. Horizontal means going from side to side. Rows go from left to right. Remember, columns go up and down, and rows go left to right. Important dates. So, this Friday, December 3rd, is the deadline for reading diagnostic. We have made a lot of great progress on that yesterday. And celebration, our scores have been looking really good, students. So I know there is going to be some celebrations ahead for those scores moving up so much. We can tell how hard you're working, and we are super proud of you for that. December 8th is the deadline for toy drive donations. December 9th is the spelling bee. December 10th is let me go back to spelling bee. So you should have already held the spelling bee in your classroom, and I believe those names were due to Miss Smith. Maybe yesterday or today, I'm not exactly sure, but spelling bee, classroom spelling bee should have already been done, and those names should be to Miss Smith. So make sure you've got that finished up so she can prepare those students for the December 9th spelling bee. December 10th is the toy drive. Participants can wear the Christmas shirt and the door decoration judging day, and December 17th is the deadline for partnership conferences. Shout outs. We have a shout out to Miss Curd, Miss Heichman, Miss Lee, Miss Weaver, Miss Waller, Miss Wolf, and Miss Guidry for having 100% of their students complete the reading diagnostic. Woohoo! We also have a ton of people that maybe only have a couple of students that are still finishing up. That is awesome as well. We went yesterday from 40% completion to over 70% completion, which is fantastic. I think we're going to make it to Friday and having everyone done, which will be great. So, good job to all the teachers for really getting it done this week and getting that out of the way and letting those students show what they know. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.